Hello and welcome back to the Computer Science channel. Going over the study guide series as we go over these practice questions. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel so you can see when we come out with new videos. Also help you navigate better. Also go ahead and smash the like button and leave us a comment. And we're going to go ahead and kick it all off. This is Linux and Scripting, Module 21. So once again, Module 21, Linux and Scripting. So let's go on to question number 1. And we have Leslie is setting up Ubuntu for the first time. She has decided that she would like to install it from a USB flash drive, which would allow her to boot up a live version of Linux. What is this method referred to as? All right, first option is Grub. That is incorrect. The next one, Live CD. Live CD is the correct answer, even though it is on a USB drive. It's just Live CD is an easier, quicker way to boot up Linux, and you can carry it with you, but you won't want to. Chances are you're not going to do that. The other two answer, package is incorrect, and show is Bash Shell. So the correct answer once again is Live CD. All right, let's move on to number 2. Number 2, Harris has finished setting up his Ubuntu server and would like to start running commands in the terminal. The terminal stands for Born Again Shell and is a mixture of previous shells. What is the default terminal called? Corn shell, that's not correct, nor is package. And script, of course, is not correct either. The original shell is called, or the default terminal shell is called the Bash shell. The Bash shell. So the correct answer for question 2 is Bash shell. All right, so let's move on to question number 3. Question 3. A user calls into a service desk for assistance with their Ubuntu server. They would like a method to improve performance. Daniel, being the service technician, is more than happy to assist and provide a method that would hold virtual memory. What is the following feature called? So the first answer is the correct answer, which is called the swap partition. So the Grub is incorrect. The Samba server, or Samba, that's just an application that allows you to run a server or to swap files between Windows and Linux systems, whether it's a computer or server. All right, and Corn shell is also incorrect. So once again, the correct answer for question 3 is the swap partition. On to number 4. And question 4. Through the process of installing Ubuntu server in VM, Veronica is faced with partitions. Going through the first partition, she noticed that it has been automatically created and that it is used to boot the system to manage dual boot systems. What is this partition called? So the first possible answer is Samba. We already talked about Samba. That's a way that you can use Windows and Linux together and share files. The Grub is the correct answer for this, the Grub partition. If you look at clone, that's obviously not correct. And comment syntax is also the incorrect answer, is an incorrect answer. So once again, the correct answer for question 4 is Grub. All right, let's move on to question number 5. While working with the Linux VM, Daniel came across a file that had unwarranted editing permissions. In order to have the file permissions changed, what command would Daniel be using? So the first one is chode, or change ownership. That is incorrect. The cp command is also incorrect. And the pwd is also incorrect as well. So what you would do is the chmod command is the correct answer. So question 5, chmod is the correct answer for question 5. Right. Going to number 6. So let's go back to number 5. We'll see this again. PWD stands for previous working directory. So if you want to go back to the last working directory you was in, that's what that stands for. All right. On to question number 6. Sarah is within the Ubuntu server and would like to run a command within a terminal. She needs to make a copy of an important file. What command would allow her to do so? So it wouldn't be the previous working directory, pwd, wouldn't be the change modify or chmod, wouldn't be change ownership or chown. It would be cp. All right, so the cp is correct. For question 6, the correct answer is the cp command. All right, on to number 7. All right, Lauren has attempted to save a file she has just finished updating, but receives a message that the task is not able to be completed. To further troubleshoot, she checks how much disk space is available using a specific command. What command allows her to take this action? So the first answer is the correct answer, the df command. All right, as we already learned that the cp is for copy, rm is not correct, and the cat is also not correct. We'll get to those in the future. So once again, the correct answer for question 7 is df. All right, on to question 8. Lauren has attempted to save a file she has just finished updating, but received a message that the task is not able to be completed. To further troubleshoot, she checks how much disk space is available using a specific command. What command allows her to take this action? Right, CAT is incorrect. The DF, we just went over that in the last question. That is also incorrect. And the previous working directory, or PWD, is also incorrect. So this would be the chown, the chown command. Will allow her to do that. So the correct answer for question 8 is CHON. So let's go on to question 9. Samuel was working on a project with an Ubuntu server and would like to further details on example.com. He uses a specific command and receives further DNS information on the website. What command did he use to gain the DNS information? All right, so CD is incorrect. Your PWD is also not correct. Your sudo command is again another incorrect option. The dig command will allow him to get DNS information from that website. So the correct answer for question number 9 is dig, D-I-G. All right, so that's it for question number 9. Let's move on to the last and final question 10. Question 10. Mary was navigating through the directory when she decided to use a command that would allow her to check the present working directory. After confirming the directory, Mary knew she was on the right track for editing a specific file. What command would Mary use to double check the directory? So the PS command is incorrect, but the second one is PWD, previous working directory. So the PWD command is correct. CP and RM will be also other incorrect answers. So the correct answer for question 10 is PWD. All right. So thanks again, everyone, for joining us with Module 21, Linux and Scripting. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so you can see when we release new material. And go ahead and smash that like button and leave us a comment. And we'll see you in the next series. Thanks again, and have a wonderful day.